In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a meeting for all in Google Meet. If you've ever been in a situation where you're the host and you need to ensure everyone is signed out at the same time, this walkthrough is perfect for you. Let's get started by navigating to Google. Open your preferred web browser and head on over to the main Google search page. Once you're there, you'll notice the Google Apps icon displayed prominently in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like a grid of small squares. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various Google applications. From the list of apps, click on Meet. This will direct you to the Google Meet homepage where you can start or schedule a video call. On this page, look for the option labeled New Meeting. By clicking here, you initiate the process of setting up a new virtual gathering. Among the choices you'll see, select Start an Instant Meeting. This feature allows you to immediately launch a meeting without any preset date or time, making it perfect for spontaneous online discussions. Once you're inside the meeting, you'll have access to various controls as the host. Next, it's crucial to ensure that you have full control over the meeting. Scroll down and click on Host Controls. Within this Settings tab, you'll find an option labeled Host Management. Click on it and make sure it's enabled. By doing this, you're granting yourself the ability to manage participants effectively, such as muting them or removing them if necessary, and most importantly, ending the meeting for everyone. Now that you've got host management turned on, you're ready to end the meeting. When you're ready to wrap things up and ensure everyone logs out simultaneously, look for the familiar red button labeled Leave Call. However, instead of just signing yourself out, you'll see an option to end the call for everyone. Clicking this option is the key step if you want to conclude the session for everyone involved. It's a straightforward process to ensure that the meeting is fully closed out. By following these steps, you can confidently end your Google Meet sessions with ease, knowing that no one will remain in the meeting room once you've left. That's it. You've successfully learned how to end a meeting for all participants in Google Meet. This process will give you peace of mind knowing that everyone exits the meeting when you do. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more instructional videos on navigating digital tools with confidence. Thank you for joining, and see you next time.